Hey there, tech enthusiasts and aspiring document masters. Welcome back to the channel. Ever stared at a blank Microsoft Word document and felt a little overwhelmed by all the buttons, menus, and ribbons? Or maybe you've been using Word for ages but still wonder what some of those less used features actually do. Well, today is your day to demystify it all. I'm Sir Nariko, and in this video, we're going on an essential tour of one of the most powerful and widely used software applications out there, Microsoft Word. We're going to break down every major part of the Word interface, from the familiar ribbon to the often overlooked status bar, the essential quick access toolbar, and everything in between. By the end of this lesson, you'll not only recognize these components but understand their purpose and how they can help you create professional, polished documents with ease. So, whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to sharpen your Word skills, stick around. Grab a pen and paper, maybe even open up Word on your own computer, because Sir Nariko is about to make you a Microsoft Word Pro. Let's dive in. Microsoft Word or MS Word, often called Word, is a graphical word processing program that users can type with. It is made by the computer company Microsoft. Its purpose is to allow users to type and save documents. Features of MS Word: speech recognition, spelling and grammar checker, word count, this also counts letters and lines, inserts pictures in documents, choice of typefaces, special codes, web pages, graphs, etc. Tables, displays synonyms of words and can read out the text, prints in different ways. MS Word is a part of Microsoft Office, but can also be bought separately. A word processor is a computer program that provides special capabilities beyond that of a text editor, such as the WordPad program that comes as part of Microsoft's Windows operating systems. Advantages of MS Word: saves time, enhances document appearance, allows sharing of documents, allows collaboration of documents. Copies can easily be made, which saves on printing, and it is much easier to do. Can save multiple versions of documents and easily sort them so that you can go back to previous versions of the same document. Uses of MS Word: preparing letters, preparing applications, preparing notices, preparing faxes, preparing memorandums, preparing legal pleadings, preparing meeting agendas, preparing calendars, preparing resumes, preparing reports. Parts of Word interface. The ribbon is a user interface element which was introduced by Microsoft in Microsoft Office 2007. It is located below the quick access toolbar and the title bar. It comprises 7 tabs: Home, Insert, Page Layout, References, Mailing, Review, and View. Each tab has specific groups of related commands. The title bar is a bar located at the top of a window or a dialog box that displays the name of the window or software program being used. For example, in the picture below, the title bar displays the name of the program Microsoft Word and the name of the document newsletter currently being edited. When you first start Word, the menus and toolbars display basic commands and buttons. As you work with Word, the commands and buttons that you use most often are stored as personalized settings and displayed on menus and toolbars. Below the menu bar are the toolbars. There are 16 different toolbars in Word. The 2 most common ones are the standard and formatting toolbars. When several toolbars are docked on the same row, they might show only the buttons that you have used most recently. A vertical or horizontal bar commonly located on the far right or bottom of a window that allows you to move the window viewing area up, down, left, or right. Most people today are familiar with scroll bars because of the need to scroll up and down in almost every internet web page. The status bar is the area at the bottom of the Word window that indicates information about the current document. It displays information about what page you are on, as well as your line number on the page and character number on the line. Tabs of MS Word: Home tab, Insert tab, Page Layout tab, References, Mailing, Review, View. The File menu is a graphical control element formerly common to most file-handling computer programs, but more recently often replaced by a toolbar or ribbon. It often appears as the first item in the menu bar, and contains commands relating to the handling of files, such as open, save, print, etc. In general, The Home tab is a tab or button in an application or web page that returns you to the Home section. In Microsoft Office, the Home tab is the default tab in Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, and other Microsoft Office products. To place an object between two other objects. Inserting characters, words, paragraphs, and documents is common in word processing. Note that insert differs from append, which means to add at the end. Most computer keyboards have an insert key, which turns insert mode on and off. Page layout is the term used to describe how each page of your document will appear when it is printed. In Word, page layout includes elements such as the margins, the number of columns, how headers and footers appear, and a host of other considerations. The References tab is a wealth of commands designed to help properly document your work with footnotes, citations, and bibliography commands. You'll also find commands for creating a table of contents, an index, and a table of authorities. Mailings tab ribbon. Each individual tab is divided into groups. Under the Mailings tab, each group is used to perform different steps in the mail merge process. The Mailings tab can also be used to create mail merges. The Review tab of Microsoft Office Word 2007 has got some important commands that you can use to modify your document. The Review tab is useful in a number of ways. For instance, you can use it for proofing your document, adding or removing comments, and tracking changes among other things. The View tab will be mostly used with your complete document, usually to see how it will look like. These tools are important and you will keep using them from time to time depending on your needs. There are other important commands like the Documents View and the Show or Hide Ruler option. These are the groups that we have in the View tab of Microsoft Office Word 2007 and their respective commands. Hey everyone! I just wanted to take a moment to express my sincere gratitude to all of you, my amazing viewers. Every like, every comment, every share, and especially every single one of you who subscribes means the absolute world to me. Creating these videos is a passion of mine, and knowing that you're out there watching and learning them makes all the effort worthwhile. Thank you for being such an incredible community and for your continued support. I truly appreciate each and every one of you.